Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this stunning primrose yellow MGC Roadster. It's one of the later cars. It's undergone a full restoration by one of our local specialist restorers, who I have to say has done a fantastic job. Unusual to see it in this striking colour. Satin chrome wire wheels. The quality of the restoration is stunning. It is a dry state USA car. Lots of documentation to verify that. Been converted to right-hand drive. Panel fit, excellent. Most of the bodywork is original, just been repainted. New hood, largely everything's been replaced. Trim, carpets, dashboard obviously converted to right-hand drive. Nice motor liter wheel. Just pull the bonnet. As you can see, the attention to detail is outstanding. Correct stickers in place, correct paint finishes. All in all, a really excellent job. So, fresh from restoration, available at nowhere near what the restoration would have cost. A lovely car, drives beautifully, has overdrive, everything you could want in a C. Any questions at all, please get in contact with us at Beech Garage. Thanks for watching.